You are so busy with your 9 to 5 day job that you know you need to make money, but you don't have time to explore. And even if you explore on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, you don't just understand how it works, how exactly you can make money like those so-called online gurus. And maybe they're not even telling the truth. Let's expose them. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts screenshot, the screenshot of the affiliates section, where it says that we paid $2.6 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates who promoted our offers. So it's not exactly what we earned, it's exactly what we paid to our affiliates as affiliate commissions, which means we know who makes money and how much they make. And it's literally thousands of affiliates. You see this number? It's a big number. We have affiliate who earned $476,000 in affiliate commission, $215,000, $124,000, $117,000. I can go on and on, show you results and the commissions of our affiliates. Does this put me in a position where I can teach you how to make money online? I mean, did I get your attention? Okay, you're still watching. That means we're good to go. Awesome. Sleeves up. Let's go. Okay, before we begin, can you help me understand something? Why have you not smashed the like button yet? Why did you not share the video with your friends, family, and social media? And if you haven't subscribed to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, why not? Listen, the only reason I make these videos is to get help from Allah, is to make Allah happy. Because if I put a little bit of my time, effort, and my research, my work, and give it to you, and you get some benefits, Allah will be happy and Allah will give me the money. So whether you buy something from me or not, I don't care. I know that if you get even a tiny bit of benefit, and even if you don't get any benefit, due to my intention, I will get help from Allah. So what is stopping you from liking this video, share with your friends, family, and social media, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, because this way you're not only helping me who is trying to help you, but also when algorithm will pick this video and show it to more and more people, can you imagine how many people will get benefit from this? So Joe, go do it. Like, share, subscribe to our channel, and let's move on to the main video. Let's establish one truth. Money comes from sales. Selling people what they want to buy. And these affiliates send people to our offer. These are real people. Some of them, like a very tiny percentage of those people, decided to buy. Yeah, not a lot of people, a tiny percentage. So 7%, 3%, 24%, 3%, 4%, 13%. These are the percentage of people who bought. From those sales, these affiliates made all these commissions. Now it's a big problem. You must be saying, Mosh, I am not a salesman. In fact, I hate salespeople. Salespeople are the lowest category people. I am elite. I'm an engineer. I'm a doctor. I'm a lawyer. I'm an accountant. I don't sell. Don't worry. Even I don't sell. But as a business owner, I know salespeople are the people who bring money to the company. However, we're going to solve this sales problem today. This solution has a name called RANT. You see, people either sell or rant, or both. If you know how to rant, then you never ever have to sell. Interesting? Okay. Here is an example of rant. You know, this guy right here is a plastic surgeon. He's an elite. He doesn't sell. And he has 38,000 subscribers on YouTube. This plastic surgeon makes approximately $2,000 to way up to $34,000 a month and almost $500,000 per year ranting on YouTube. Okay, I know you hate videos, you hate social media, you hate YouTube, and you don't want to show your face. You don't want to make videos because you are elite. You don't have time for this. The only thing you have is a 9 to 5 day job and a big dream of making big money someday. Well, my friend, you are at the right place. I'm going to show you something nobody is talking about. Now, all these plastic surgeon does is rant. And he does it in a very special way. I love this way because it's passive. Why not we watch a video that got 7.3 million views?
If you get a really bad burn, a doctor will scrape off all of the dead, damaged skin. Then they will cut off a piece of healthy skin from another part of your body.
They mix this up a little bit. This video shows like a full thickness skin removal of the lower back. That's not how it's done actually. That thing when you scrape off is actually dermatome, which helps you get partial thickness of the skin graft. So then that partial thickness skin graft is placed over the burnt skin that's removed and stitched in. So this video doesn't explain how the donor site is closed. And so that's my explanation. Partial thickness graft, the skin grows in from deeper areas.
Did you notice what he has done here? Let me explain. First, he spoke about a relevant topic that people have already shown interest to. He found this viral video on the internet. It's relevant to him, relevant to his topic, and relevant to his audience. The next step is authority. You want to establish your authority. How do you establish your authority using other people's work? Let's look at the video again.
If you get a really bad burn, a doctor will scrape off all of the dead, damaged skin. Then they will cut off a piece of healthy skin from another part of your body.
Did you notice this doctor didn't speak up until 1/3 of the video? So basically, he let the video that has already gone viral speak before him. This way, he first let the video establish authority. So step number 1, start with the viral video. In other words, borrow authority. Then step number 2.
This video shows like a full thickness skin removal of the lower back. That's not how it's done actually.
You speak up and share your thoughts. This way you establish your authority as a knowledgeable person on the relevant topic. And you keep going back and forth, complete the video, make your point. Okay, Mosh, I got it. I need to make a video. That's it, right? Well, my friend, it doesn't work that way. Look at his channel. He comes up with a new video pretty frequently, which means you need to share news, come up with new content on regular basis. Now, new is just not new. New has a meaning as well. N stands for results now. Your audience want results and they want it now. Your audience want easy. They want easy results right now. And they want without risk. So if you can establish through your content that by watching your content, they can either get results now or learn now, you can make sure that you are making things easy for them. And if you can ensure that you are removing their risk, then they will love you. So come up with new content on regular basis. And when you do it regularly, consistently, you will build trust. When people see someone show up in their feed with a new content on regular basis, they start trusting him. If a busy plastic surgeon can do it, you can do it too. Do you think he's selling something? Absolutely not. He is ranting. But now that he built trust, his viewers, his subscribers are going to click his link, go to his website and book an appointment, which means sales and money. But instead of selling, it's making money ranting. Sounds good? Did we solve the salesmanship problem? Now, before we go and solve the time problem, we have to address another problem. You don't know how to make these rant videos, which are also known as reaction videos. So for that, go to YouTube and search how to reaction videos. And I believe if you watch this video, the second video, and the third video, you will learn everything about how to shoot and edit and finalize a rant, aka reaction video. Now, I love AI. I always want to use AI. So let's copy the link of this particular video and go to Gemini AI. Control V, the link of the video, and just say, give me the steps shown in the video in 6th graders language. You can even dumb it down to 5th graders or 4th graders, doesn't matter. Bullet points, short paragraphs, and short sentences. Make it as interesting as possible and hit enter. All right, now AI is writing for you. Now you have all the steps. But if you're not happy, then you can use ChatGPT and our Grow 3 AI agent as well. But honestly, by looking at the first point, I already liked it because That's the exact advice I give to my students of my 99% done for you program. Okay, if you want to use Grow 3 AI agent, click Grow Fast. It will ask for the video URL. Copy the video URL, post it here and hit enter. Now expand the description, click show transcript and copy the 5 minutes transcript, put it here, hit enter, and now AI will do the rest for you. Step number 1, you pick a niche. Step number 2, set up your reaction recording. Method 1, if you have 2 devices. Method 2, if you have 1 device. This is good. Step number 3, edit like a pro with CapCut, and it is free. So it's download CapCut. Step 2 and step 3 are the main tasks here. So I'm going to take a screenshot of this part, and if you want, you can just keep a screenshot of this. Done? Did you take a screenshot? Okay, Mosh, that seems like a lot of work. I have to make videos, then I have to learn how to make videos, and actually edit those videos. Mosh, I don't have time. I have a 9-to-5 day job. I don't have time. Okay, my friend, we're gonna solve the time problem right now. This is AM, the morning clock, and this is PM, the PM clock. It starts from afternoon to midnight. I'm gonna start with the morning because our life revolves around our job. So if you start your job at 9 in the morning, you must start from your home at 8. So 8 to 9, you commute. You're completely busy and you cannot do anything at this time. Now, from 9 a.m. to noon, 12 p.m., and then from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m., you are at work. So this part is commute, this part is work, this part is work, and then from 5 to 6, you commute again and you get back home. Now, when you are at home, your family is waiting for you. So you give 2 hours to your family and take some personal time, like shower, take dinner, watch TV, pray, lots of stuff. And at 11 p.m., you go to bed. So this is your bedtime. Again, from 12 a.m. to 5 p.m., you sleep. So basically, from 11 p.m. to 12 a.m., you sleep. And again, from 12 a.m. to 5 a.m., you continue sleeping. Now, my friend, after you wake up, you again have to give some time to yourself for shower, for prayer, for breakfast, for taking kids to school. If you look at these 2 clocks, did you see this 1 hour in the morning and these 3 hours in the evening are completely free, which means you have total 4 hours completely free to learn a skill and actually make money from it. Now tell me, do you really not have time to learn a new skill that can potentially make you a lot of money? To be honest, I don't think time is an issue. The issue is motivation. And the motivation comes from a 5-step system called CATCH. Without this CATCH system, it's almost impossible to stay motivated. C stands for course, a comprehensive course with all the information you need. A stands for active community. The members of our 99% done for you program earn money like this because they have a complete course and they have a community. Here is how the course looks like. It's not just a course. We consistently update it as required. It's interesting that first when we made this course and we gave access to the members, we got a lot of feedback from them. Based on those feedbacks, we remade the whole course and we continuously update it whenever we need to add something to make it easy for our beginner members, because all of these members are at a 9 to 5. They are busy. They don't have time to explore. We are the one doing the exploring for them. We use a Facebook group as our community. And in this community, our students are encouraged to ask questions whenever they want, whenever they need. And usually, I am the first one to answer. Whenever I find something interesting to share, I come to this group and share with them. So our members stay updated with the latest advancements of the money-making techniques. But this is not enough. Without the technical work completely done for you, it's impossible for a beginner, especially who have 9 to 5, and they're struggling and juggling through this time management. That's why we take care of 100% of the technical work for our members. And it starts from this section. First steps, done for you money machine or funnel. We ask for a few information, and based on those information, we build the done for you funnel for our members. But that's not all. We also give them done for you videos so they can kickstart and start ranting. But we do not stop here because everyone needs to speak to a mentor. So we have weekly coaching call. Every week I go live on a Zoom call and all our members can join. They can ask questions. They can talk about anything they want, clear any questions, curiosities, doubts, problems, and I stay there answering all their questions to ensure they get results. Now, where is the money mechanism? How do you make money? Isn't this still a question? The solution is here. Our members earn $500, $1,000, $947, $635 commissions because we approve them to promote our program as a high-ticket affiliate and earn high-ticket affiliate commissions. This part is completely done for you. So, without a complete catch system, it's very hard to get results for a beginner after juggling with time management. So now that our members know what they want to do, they know that a technical team is helping them with done for you technical stuff. They know that they have a mentor to answer their questions. They have a community to hang out. They have coaching calls so they can ask questions. And they are approved to promote our high ticket program so they can earn high ticket commission. Utilizing this time in order to make money is super easy for them. My highest recommendation is that you should go to the link in the description and find the free training for our 99% done for you program. Click that link and put your email. It will take you to this page and watch this free training video. Make sure you watch this training video from beginning to end. Don't skip any section. You will learn everything we do. You will learn about AI-powered 99% done for you automated digital marketing business. And if you have any question, you can ask our AI agent. The AI agent will answer all your questions. But in case you want to speak to me one-on-one, simply DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook Messenger, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Was this video helpful? Was I able to motivate you to use a little bit of your time and take some action? Because you can either make excuse or make use of your time if you really want to make money. You cannot do both. I want you to succeed. If you get even a little bit of motivation from this video, smash the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button because that's the only way YouTube can find you and notify you about our next upload. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.